you let me burn a cigarette. I think about you from now and again. I like the way you always paid attention to me, even though you probably got shit from your friends. Hey, 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 come on to the sexy party. Let's reunite. Hey, 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 and fuck your girls and she's a weird.